Hello, everybody. Today we're just gonna be blowing up stuff. It's not that fun.
But
What? I'm stuck inside the TNT.
what's the thing?
Seth, I'm inside the TNT. Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Bro, I was inside the TNT block. Y'all saw that, right?
Why is it floating TNT?
What?
Come to me. There's like weird floating TNT that I can phase through.
Oh yeah, they're not there for me. Are they white?
No, they were here.
What
Why
did they
don't we
look?
just what?
What did they look
Oh,
like?
it's like it died. It was like a tiny bit.
Oh,
Rusty thing. You see another?
you're crusty dusty. Something just died over here. Someone just
What?
killed this. A bobcat just killed this. I don't know, something. I don't know what it was.
Don't kill the bobcat.
No, the bobcat killed something. I don't know what it killed, though.
I'm just burning down this whole entire forest.
This is a big forest.
Well, not all of it. We're just gonna burn down this area.
Yeah, this thing's hot, giant. Oh my god.
For the video, we're just finding a good area to blow stuff up.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Another day.
Do you dare me to stand on top? Oh, what is happening?
Wait,
Ah!
I see one stud TNT. Come to me, come to me, come to me.
Where are you? Oh, I found Hollow Earth. Wait, you know Hollow Earth from Godzilla?
Look, here, you just went through them. Come to me.
They're not here.
Look, they're like one stud right here.
I don't see them at all.
Is this Hollow Earth?
Yes, that's what I just said.
There's bamboo going through the wall. This is actually so weird. This actually is Hollow Earth. Why is it knowing?
I discovered it first, though. Bro.
Right. We see another day.
Wait, Seth. Can we try to actually make civilization in this?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
But we're just gonna blow some more up. In what? Mm-hmm. Oh, so some.
I dare you to spam one.
Oh. I'm standing on it.
Oh. Goodbye, Earth. Oh, it just opened up a water table. It opened the water table.
Oh. It opened the whole entire thing dividing the water.
What do you mean?
The thing dividing the water and the ground.
Oh, you did. I'm running from the TNT.
Bro, there's literally Did Carthagan actually change his name though?
No, he said he didn't want to change it. He wanted to keep it as Shimu. But he actually really wanted to change it to I Hate Kevin Lewis.
Why?
Because he's mad at you for banning him.
And he put water all over Colton.
You mean Colton?
Yeah, I said Colton.
To me, it sounds like Griffin.
Bro, now there's floating TNTs that are blown up right here.
See, on my screen, I don't see them though.
Oh, this is so weird. Let's blow up over here now.
Seth, should we just make civilization now?
Okay. And then we have to see if our civilization survives a raid.
No. I remember what happened last time. No. Seth, no raid. Okay? We just build civilization. Nothing else. Let's start building villager houses.
What block is that?
Where?
Clay. I found clay.
So?
How rare is that to find clay?
It's not rare.
Where I see things, see another thing.
Seth, what the heck are you talking about? Alright, I'm gonna start making some
What?
don't make any more TNT.
I'm not. I'm not even saying one. One is what makes the TNT go. Where I see things, another thing.
Seth, what's your most hated song in the Many Musicale thing?
What?
What's the song you hate the most in Many Musicale?
What do you mean? Nanny music help?
Yeah, in French.
Oh. The monkey one.
What monkey one?
Where it's like jump, jump, jump away.
The one I hate the most is the fighter.
What one?
Fighter.
That.
Huh?
What's the biter?
Fighter.
What's the biter?
Fighter.
What?
Fighter.
Biter?
Yes.
What one is that? In Manny Music Hell?
Yeah.
And it's called Fighter?
Yeah.
The viewers probably don't even know what we're talking about.
Yeah.
Like, you guys don't even know unless you go to our school.
Well, people around the world do it.
Yeah, if you're in school still.
No, but some adults even do the Many Musicale.
What? No.
Yeah. Or
If
like,
you're a teacher.
what?
You're a teacher.
True.
Where I see pain, you see another thing.
What?
Click on you, click on you, click on you.
Wait, I hope Karthken doesn't watch this video.
Why? What?
Bro, I'm scared. This does not even look like remotely like a villager house.
But why don't you want Karthakan to see this video?
I'll tell you in a minute.
What? What? Why
You.
wouldn't he?
What?
Why wouldn't he want to see this video?
I don't know.
And why'd you say that?
I don't know. This doesn't even look remotely like a villager house. What is this?
Well, I need.
No, don't come look at what I built.
Okay, I won't.
Wait, I'm coming to see what you made. Oh, that's actually sick.
I made a wish well.
A wishing well?
Yeah.
Do you want me to tell you now?
Why?
Because he thinks I'm on his team about the thing with the ball. He thinks like I agree with him, like, but like I'm not.
He kicked it into the mud on purpose.
I know. But also, Colton did it like 50 times.
Well, not on purpose.
True. Like, I don't think you should have banned Karthkin.
He's not banned, only for that day.
Oh. Okay.
Does he usually watch your videos?
The last one he saw was the Baldy is this bald thing.
Oh, I found a little cave. Hello? Oh, hi. Hi.
Why?
Hi.
There's like grass everywhere.
Hi.
Awesome singing, buddy.
That looks like a good house, though.
Yeah.
It doesn't. No, it's supposed to be a good house. It doesn't have to be a villager house.
Yeah,
You
okay.
should just make it wider.
Okay, next this house is gonna be our house.
What? No, our house is gonna be emerald.
Well, I kind of want to build my own house.
Okay.
Right, so first, I'm gonna build the entrance.
I'm just making your thing bigger. Okay.
Okay. I honestly don't even care about that. Do whatever you want with it.
It's gonna be a villager home.
Yeah. I mean, I was trying to make a replica of a villager house, and I failed.
Why face famous? Could you help me with the stair thing?
Yeah. Yeah. 1 second. What's this thing?
The roof. The roof.
Yeah. I guess. Wait,
Yeah,
Seth just told me. Seth
Yeah,
just told
because
me we have an old villager.
yeah, but he won't escape. He won't escape. You know why? Because you know when a villager gets his bed, it goes green.
Yeah.
Come in, he got his bed already. So he'll always
He's
come
laying
back.
on the floor.
No,
Yeah, he is.
he's on the bed.
No, for me, he's laying right here on the floor. For me, he's laying right here on the floor.
Oh,
Like,
that's
see where
weird.
I'm standing?
This is where he is for me.
Oh, for me, he's where I'm standing. This is where his head is, where I was just standing.
Why'd you break? Oh, I thought you broke the door.
I didn't. It's just open.
He says it's going to be better. He says.
That, that,
Yeah.
that,
Really starting to hear about this dimension. They're turning them almost into a bike.
Chris went to that thing last night. 6,000 people, right? So it was a hell of a time.
favorite.
I got access to the Oslo airport.
Alright.
People, where do they park?
I know they said they're parking all over the lawn. People were walking in from around the corner.
Alright.
They should have expected that.
Yeah, well, I read.
So
So, guys, if you haven't watched me and my friend built a security house that is a secret, you should watch that. Because Seth actually learned how to build in redstone, right?
Mhm.
So now he's gonna do one of those killing chicken farms. Or like
I'm
they
actually gonna make
where they like die and then like you get their meat. But wait, don't make them go into lava because then the meat would burn.
no, make them go into. Oh, I know what to make them.
Fire, fire.
No, slim stone.
What stone?
Slim stone.
Flintstones?
The stone that has a whole bunch of spikes. that people usually make to make scary teeth.
Oh! Yes, I know what you mean. Dripstone?
Yeah, dripstone.
Thought you were
Why'd I
saying
say slimstone?
what?
Why'd I say slimstone?
No, you said Flintstones.
No, I said slim.
Oh, I thought you said Flint. There's a show, Flintstones. Alright. So, guys, I have made my house. And I will go in my house. Here's the living room. And then here's the bedroom. Dark hallway. So I'm gonna light it up. Alright.
Uh-oh. Yeah.
Alright. And I'm gonna make this bedroom allow a bunch of people to Yep. You heard it right. A bunch of people can sleep in my bedroom.
Remember when Tarthakan stole that guy's hat?
What guys?
Tarthakan stole somebody's hat and they dumped it in water.
Yeah.
Whose hat was it?
It was a booze.
It was?
Yeah.
Did Abu get mad at me?
Yeah, he said it wasn't his hat. But then he said, who wants a free hat? Ken said me. Took it. And then Abu said it was his and got mad. Oh, is this your house over here?
I didn't make a house yet.
But then how would the meat get cooked?
Oh, there's gonna be like a secret area. So. Oh, there's gonna be like fire at the bottom.
It's gonna be what? Is that what's gonna be at the bottom?
So, there's gonna be slimstone.
Oh my god, stop saying Slimstone.
I'm sorry.
What?
What?
You
I
said
said
you're
I'm
sorry. Yeah, why? Why are you sorry?
You keep on saying it. Slimstone.
Yeah, so? Alright. Whoa! Where's gonna be the...
Andrew, actually stop burning it.
I'm not burning it. Why do you think I'm burning it?
No, I don't want that. Andrew.
What? I'm not burning it. I see you with the flint and steels.
You're not building this. This is my area.
Yeah, but why are you burning it?
No, it's getting up.
I saw you using a flint and steel, buddy.
Oh, Andrew.
What? What? What am I doing?
I'm building this area.
Yeah, I didn't touch anything.
Okay.
Stop placing fire everywhere.
I'm not. I didn't touch anything. It was probably just the fire, like, burning everything because it's wood.
True. But then why did you have a flint and steel in your hand?
No, because I was lighting the netherrack.
On fire.
Hmm.
Yeah, and that's gonna cause the rest to go on fire. Smelly, smelly poo. Smelly, smelly poo. Seth, do you like my song?
What?
Do you like my song?
What was it?
Smelly, smelly poo.
Why did you make it loud?
I don't know.
Yeah,
What?
yeah.
Quit whispering at him.
I'm not.
Yes, you are. You can keep saying garden.
I can barely see what I'm doing because it's all black. And that's why building with black stuff sucks.
Ocean thing is.
Okay, guys, Seth is saying there's a villager in the middle of the ocean. I see this guy. Where is he?
Yeah, he used to be here, and I built blocks. He used to be like this. Yeah, look at you. Oh, and go into that thing that looks like hell.
Okay, do you like my Godzilla build though?
Yeah. Scouring. I went through his tooth.
I'm going into hell. Bro, I'm actually low-key scared. Bro. Oh, it's just a hell pit.
It's
Why
just a chicken spawner.
Bro, why is there so many signs?
This is just the chicken thing.
Yeah, you're not gonna get any meat.
Look. They're supposed to go in here, then they'll burn.
Yeah, and then they'll try and run out here, and then they'll die and get the meat.
Mm-hmm. So look. So this one just came down.
Oh yeah, he didn't make it.
It's a wait. Should I make the thing bigger?
Yeah, cause if they stay in there, their meat will just burn.
There.
Okay,
Okay. One just came.
spawn some, spawn some. Yay! Spawn some more. Spawn like 50.
A whole bunch, like above the farm thing. Oh, I should put a spawner thing
Yeah,
in all the corners and add chickens to it.
yeah, like a chicken spawner.
No, we should add chicken spawners in the death pit thing.
Yeah. Alright, I just pushed some down.
No, all the chickens up here are safe. No, this is a normal chicken farm. Don't kill these chickens. Don't break that. No, don't. Andrew, don't. I'm gonna ban you, Andrew. Stop.
Fine.
So let's go to the chicken farm and see if any chickens have came down.
I feel like we've done a good job so far, right?
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna call a raid.
No, actually, Seth.
Imagine.
If you did, I would slap you. Like when the next time we see each other, I'd slap you. All I can hear is chickens from where you are.
There's a whole bunch of chickens.
Da, 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 smelly, smelly. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
What?
I'm gonna make the statue of the century.
Oh.
Wait.
Ew, ew. Here. Alright, everybody, I'm gonna go in this new house that I just made.
Got him.
It's like a burning sound. What is this? No,
What?
I think there's like poo in this house. It's like stink.
Didn't?
No, I think that's actually poo though.
No, it's just animal.
Alright, everybody, it's been 25 minutes. Goodbye.